We're doing Q&A with Terry. Here's your next question. How can I make more money? They said more than that, but that was really the point of the question. How can I make more money? There's a lot of ways. I mean, it depends on your business, but I think what many people don't consider is making money as an affiliate by talking about tools and services that you use and then getting paid for it. So for example, on my end, I create a lot of content on LinkedIn, and I took this guy, Justin Welsh's course about creating LinkedIn content. His course sells for about 150 bucks, and I am now an affiliate for it. So every time someone clicks my link and buys this course, I make around 50 bucks, which is pretty cool. And I remember on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, I put up one post that made me $900 in affiliate sales, which still didn't cover all my Black Friday, Cyber Monday purchases, but it was pretty cool. So if you're seen as a subject matter expert, you want to consider doing the same thing. Look at some of the tools or courses you bought, see if they have an affiliate program, and if they do, sign up and talk about your experience online because you can easily make money selling someone else's product.